Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called The Tiny Boat in the Big Sea. A tiny wooden boat floated on the wide blue sea. The waves were big, and the boat felt very small. "I'll never make it across," whispered the little boat. Then a friendly dolphin swam by. "Don't give up, little one," it said. With courage, the boat pushed forward, one wave at a time. At last, the boat reached a quiet shore where children waited to play. The tiny boat realized it was braver than it ever knew. So just remember, even small and fragile things can be important and do great, brave things. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow.